somehow everything is changing. Keeping up with it all requires one thing above all: flexibility. Flexibility is one of the main requirements in the manufacturing industry, and also one of its biggest opportunities. Not everyone can create the right conditions. It requires specialists who develop very special technologies. That's where the multi-carrier system comes in. A multi-carrier system, or MCS, is a unique transport solution that offers maximum flexibility. It was created by a very special team, automation experts from Siemens and mechanical engineering experts from Festo. Siemens and Festo? Doesn't that seem like an unlikely pair? On the contrary, the best in their fields combine their best efforts to create something even better. Could you be a little bit more specific? Sure. Festo is of course quite different from Siemens, and for good reason. They're the #1 experts in design and assembly automation. And Siemens contributes individually expandable software and optimal components. But let's take a closer look at this MCS. An MCS is a transport system that moves goods within a machine. Conventional transport systems have rigid sequences. We've broken them up. The MCS offers new freedom and is highly dynamic. Wow! Transport carriers are driven by linear motors and move flexibly to the individual units. In order for the MCS to optimally work, the machine concept has to be adapted to the multi-carrier system. Okay, so why is the MCS the way it is? Because it has a history. That's also why our motor segments are exactly 102 millimeters long, which is how it should be, because it lets us guarantee maximum flexibility and modularity. Okay, and what are the specific benefits of this MCS? It can convey all kinds of things, small or large, solid or liquid, 50 grams or 50 kilograms, slowly and precisely, or quickly and just as precisely. That's what we mean by variable payload. It's exactly what gives you the flexibility you're looking for. And what can the MCS do? It can do guide systems and customized carriers, optimized segmentation of transport sections with diverse motor variants, customized product features ranging from simple to high-end, and it can do scalable motion control systems for almost any application. So what can't it do? Although MCS doesn't support deflectors, we take care of that externally, based on the principle that MCS is only there where the process requires it. Otherwise, our MCS works with virtually any conveyor belt system in the world. Sounds good, doesn't it? Okay, what's it like in actual practice? In terms of mechanics, we adapt the customer's own transport system. On the one hand with guide concepts and carrier variants made of plastic or metal, and we're the only ones who can do it with standard components. On the other hand, we support every change in the mechanical system with flexible, scalable software tools, from simple, standard applications to high-end applications. Hardware and software together enable maximum flexibility. Well, who's the contact for me as a customer? Siemens and Festo are each responsible for their own area. This is also what it says in the agreement. Your contact always depends on the focus of the project. The contact for each of the two partners even has access to the other's organization. Specifically, this means two offerings that build on one another, two specialists that do their best for you, but only one contact. And if I need service, that's regulated in a cooperation agreement. Your contact is also your service partner. Sounds good. Does it already exist in the real world? Of course. Here, and here, and here, and here. Wait a minute, what's that? No, not here yet, but here, and here. Some things just go together perfectly, like Siemens and Festo.